Welcome. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to turn on notifications for most watched reels on the Instagram app when using your PC. If you want to stay updated with trending and popular reels without constantly checking your feed, this setting is exactly what you need. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your PC. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all your settings without any issues. Once you're on the main screen, look at the bottom left corner. You'll see the three-line menu icon. Go ahead and click on it. This will open a side menu with different options. From there, click on Settings. This is where you can customize your Instagram experience, including privacy, notifications, and more. Inside Settings, find and select Notifications. This section controls everything related to alerts you receive from Instagram. Next, click on Push Notifications. Here, you'll see a variety of notification categories that you can manage based on your preferences. Now scroll until you find the option labeled Most Watched Reels. This is the feature that lets Instagram notify you about reels that are currently trending or getting high engagement. Under this option, simply select On. Once you do that, notifications for most watched reels will be activated on your account. And that's it. From now on, you'll receive updates whenever there are popular reels you might be interested in, helping you stay in the loop with the latest trends. If you found this helpful, make sure to check out more tips to get the most out of your Instagram experience.